Hello everyone, welcome to the Sony Academy online classes. This is Rohit Sharma, your English teacher. Again we are back here and going to learn about pronouns. Up to now we had learned personal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, distributive pronoun and possessive pronoun. These four pronouns have been completed up to now in the previous video. Now we are going to talk about the next one, which is reflexive, and the other one is also there, emphatic. We are going to learn these two pronouns together because you can say that they are same when we look at them, but their use is different. Let us have a look of it. We taught ourselves a lesson. We taught ourselves a lesson. Here, the target of subject is the subject itself. When the subject is the target of its action, it means when the subject becomes the object of his own verb or action, it becomes reflexive pronoun. I mean to say, when the subject becomes the target of his own action, it becomes the reflexive pronoun. And when we say something emphatically, by putting some emphasis on something, like this, we ourselves saw the snake. We ourselves saw the snake. Here, the subject is not, the doer is not the target of its own action. Okay? Here, the word ourselves has been used just to show emphasis only. Emphasis. Okay? So, here this word is not reflexive. Here this word is emphatic pronoun. Okay? In the previous sentence we learned that the subject is the target of its own action. In the second sentence we learned that the subject is not the target. In this sentence, the word ourselves shows some emphasis only. Okay? So this was the reflexive pronoun and this was emphatic pronoun. Okay? I'm going to erase this all. Now we are going to learn about next pronoun, that is indefinite pronoun. Indefinite. Indefinite means that which is not definite. That which is not definite. Means like words like someone, anyone, one, no one, nobody, somebody, anybody, etc. All these words are called indefinite pronouns. You get it? Here's an example. Someone has picked my pocket. Here someone is an indefinite pronoun. Okay. Now let us learn about interrogative pronoun. Interrogative means when the word asks some question. Means there will be some words that will play the roles of pronoun and that will be asking some questions as well at the same time. Like whom, whose, which, what. All these words are called interrogative pronouns. All of these are interrogative. They are called interrogative because they ask question. If I say Ram killed Ravan, and if you want to ask a question, that so we can replace it with who. Who killed Ravan? This will become a question. Sorry. This will become a question. We can replace this word Ram with who. So, who killed Ravan? Now the question is found. Okay? So this word who is here an interrogative pronoun. If I ask you, what are you reading? What are you reading? I'm reading a book. If I say I'm reading a book, so this word is here an interrogative pronoun. Okay? Interrogative pronoun. Let us talk about the last one, relative pronoun, which is one of the most important pronouns of all. Relative pronoun always shows the relation with its antecedent. Antecedent, the word which comes before. Okay? Relative pronoun. When you talk about, let us tell you what are the relative pronouns. Who, whom, whose, which, and that. What is also there. All these words are relative pronouns. You might be thinking that some words have been seen or shown by me earlier, just as the interrogative pronouns. But at that time they were asking some questions. Here they will not ask any question. They will be defining, they will be relating to their, or relating with with their antecedent. In this sentence you can see, if there is person and if there is verb, you can see that we can use who like this along with the example. There's an example. The boy who is wearing a cap is my cousin. Here this word who is telling about all about the boy. So this word who is a relative pronoun because this is telling and this is showing the relation with it, with the boy. Okay, who is wearing a cap? We are talking in this clause about this boy. The boy who is wearing a cap is my cousin. The boy is my cousin. Which one? The boy who is wearing the cap. So this whole clause is related with this word boy. Okay, so relative pronouns always talk about their antecedent. The boy word is here antecedent. Okay, my dear friends, hope you must have understood all these pronouns, relative pronouns. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.